It's 2:13 a.m., my phone buzzes, outbound data spike from a finance server. That's the nightmare ping. Today, we go from breach to fix in 3 moves. I'll teach the core incident response and monitoring concepts you actually use. Step 1. Validate and contain. First, confirm it's real. CIEM alerts. EDR detections on the host. NDR for unusual traffic. CloudTrail or VPC flow logs. What changed? From where? How long? Classify severity by business impact, scope affected assets, and data sensitivity. Activate the incident bridge. Assign incident commander, comms lead, forensics, and ops. No heroics. Follow the playbook. Containment is surgical. Isolate the endpoint. Segment the VLAN. Block C2 domains at the firewall. Revoke compromised tokens. Capture volatile data. Memory, running processes, live network connections, then quarantine. Preserve chain of custody. Timestamp, hash, and document. Find root cause, phishing or token theft. Unpatched service. Misconfigured S3. Trace initial access, lateral movement, and exfiltration path. Use timelines from EDR, authentication logs, DNS, proxy, and cloud audits. Remove persistence, scheduled tasks, registry run keys, cron tabs, startup items. Rotate secrets, cloud access keys, OAuth grants, user passwords, API keys, patch vulnerabilities, harden controls. Recovery is a clean build, not trust me repairs. Reimage from a golden image. Validate integrity with checksums. Reintroduce under heightened monitoring. Track RTO and RPO. Step 3. Learn and monitor. After action isn't blame, it's upgrade. Review what worked, what broke, and what data we missed. Define detection rules so this exact attack can't happen quietly again. Telemetry types, logs for events, metrics for counts and latency, traces end-to-end. CIEM centralizes and correlates. SOAR automates playbooks. Enrich an IP, isolate a host, notify on-call. EDR watches endpoints, NDR the network, IDS IPS flags signatures, UEBA spots weird behavior. Baselines matter. Normal traffic volumes, login rates, and API calls. Alert quality beats quantity. Tune noisy rules. Add context. Asset criticality and user role. Measure MTTD, MTTR, dwell time and detection coverage. Improve them or you're guessing. Data quality. Time sync, log completeness, retention windows, correct parsing, bad timestamps, break timelines. Use threat intel, domains and hashes. Map TTPs to MITRE, ATI, and CK. Tag events and hunt for patterns. Write hypotheses. Create rules. Test with Purple Team. Iterate. Drill often. Tabletop, live fire, comms, legal, and executive updates.